Oops. Okay, hit again.
Hello.
Yeah, it's gone.
This is Blubber,
The battery's low.
the bamboo bug, and I am going to tell you the story of Bob and Benny. Me, Blubber the bamboo bug, bit Bob and Benny, who bandaged their boo-boos while bellowing boo-hoo. Their boisterous big brothers bid their babies. I know.
Oh, that's good.
Don't be so rude. That was so rude. I have to start again. So rude. So rude. Alright, I'm going to do it again. Blubber, the bamboo bug, bit Bob and Benny, who bandaged their boo-boos with big band-aids and bellowed boo-hoo. Their boisterous big brothers bid their bubbly blue babies off the big black boat. That is my story of Bob and Benny.